Okay, so this time I will discuss to you what is direct product. Okay, so but before that, in every subject it has its foundation. So for example, in chemistry, so the building block is atoms. But these are different kinds of atoms, and these atoms we can combine it to this called bands. We have ionic band, covalent band, metallic band. Now in number theory, the building blocks are prime numbers. Say for example, we have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and 19. So for example, if we have 3 prime numbers, and we can combine it to make it a whole number. For example, 12. Now 21, the factorization of 21, the factor of 21 is 3 and 7. And also we have 24. Now in simple group, we can combine, there are many ways of how to combine simple group to make it complex. And one way of them is the direct product. Okay, so suppose we have 2 groups. We have G1 and G2. So direct products. Okay, so G1 cross G2 is equal to X and Y such that X is an element of G1 and Y is an element of G2. So for example, so let A and B and X and Y is an element of G1 cross G2. Okay? So A and B times X and Y. Okay? So the symbol for direct product, it could be asterisk, or to make it simple, we use multiplication. Okay? So to multiply these two, so A times B, so that's why we have A times B, then B times Y. This is how to combine, which is called direct product. Now the identity element of these are E sub 1 and E sub 2, which E sub 1 is the identity of G sub 1 and E sub 2 is the identity of G sub 2. Okay, so for example, if we have G sub 1, integers under addition, and our G2 is an element of X and Y such that X is an element of integers and Y is equal to plus minus 1 or plus minus I under multiplication. Okay, so group operation test, or these are the solution. So for example, our X is integers. That's why we have 7 and 1. These are integers. Okay, so asterisk negative 3 times negative I, since these are the group 1 and group 2. Okay, so X is an element of integers, then Y is equal to, it could be 1 or I. So that's why we have I. Then we combine these 2. So 7 times 7 minus 3, negative 3, then 7 minus 3. That's why we come up this 7 minus 3. Minus because integers under addition. Then negative 1 times negative I, since our group 2 is under multiplication. Okay, so we come up this result. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. And negative 1 times I is equal to negative I. Then the identity element of this pair is 0 and 1. Why? Because if we multiply 4 and negative I times 0 and 1 is equal to, okay, so 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. Then negative I times 1 is equal to negative I, which is the same with this. Now, another example, now in direct product, we'll combine one or more groups. Suppose we have 3 groups. For example, we have G1 plus G2 plus G3. Okay, so we have 3 groups. And let this 3 groups is an element of Z, X, Y, and Z. Okay? So X is an element of G1 and Y is an element of G2 and Z is an element of group G3. Okay? So if we have A, B, C times X, Y, Z. Okay, so to multiply this one, we have A times X. So equal to A times X, then B times Y, and C times Z. C times Z. Okay. So now, the identity element of these three, the identity element are E sub 1, E sub 2, and E sub 3. Okay, so E sub 1 for G sub 1, then E sub 2 for G sub 2, E sub 3 is an identity element of G sub 3. And that's all about direct product and how to combine simple group to make it complex.
Oo, tayo mo.